Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to introduce you Mosaic new foil gel. It comes in a glossy bottle, so it's very easy to find on your table. You don't need to search for it. The gel is clear. It's very good because you can use it on any color. You can use it on French, on light colors. And now let's make larger spot. I overlay any area and I will cure it. After curing, always let the gel cool down a little bit for some 5-10 seconds. After that, press gently with the foil like that and remove it. Be careful, you have to hold the foil face up. If you have any empty spaces and you want to fill, just press again. It will work. Like that. If you want to make lines or curves or some elements with the foil, you can just apply a little drop of the gel on the glass, on the palette. Take your brush and make this shape what you would like to see on your nail. A little bit more, like that. After curing, don't forget to let it cool down. Press with the foil like that. Ready? Let me show you it like that. In case you have very large spot of foil on your nail, apply Ultra Bond primer before top gel application, I mean. Let the primer to dry and then apply top gel like you usually do. It will stick very well. Have a beautiful foil applications. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.